a Solartherm anti-tank rifle. The Solartherm is almost 7 foot long, weighs around 130 pounds, and holds 8 rounds, and is semi-automatic and was made to take out tanks during World War II. We have something special, 250-pound weight plate. And this isn't compared to a 50 BMG. The 50 BMG is 660 grains, while the 20 mil is 2,330 grains. So with the Solartherm, you can't just pull the bolt back, you actually have to crank it back. There's a literal bike chain in here. Okay, and then we go backwards, and we are ready to go. Now we have our 8-round magazine loaded up with 1 round. Yep, we're ready to rock and roll. It did not stop 20 mil. We made it all the way through this thing.